Hi everyone, my name is Kindi Tuyor, and I will report the solar system and the universe. What is the solar system? A solar system is made up of a star and the planets with others space object that revolve around it. A planet is a large and round body that revolves around a star. In our solar system, the planets and the other objects revolve around a star we call the sun. We have eight planets in our solar system, and all of them rotate or spin about an axis. An axis is an imaginary line that goes through the center of the planet. Let's take the Earth as an example. The Sun, Earth, and its moon form a system in space. Earth revolves around the Sun. That means Earth travels around the Sun in a path called an orbit. But Earth is about 150 million kilometers from the Sun. The Moon revolves around Earth. So the terrestrial planet of our solar system, first Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The first planet in our solar system is the Mercury. The Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, less than half size of the Earth. Its surface is filled with craters much like the Moon, closest planet to the Sun. On Mercury, the Sun would look three times larger than what it looks like on Earth. Mercury does not have any moons or rings. After the Earth, Mercury is the second densest planet. The second planet of our solar system, the Venus, the ring of fire. It it is the so hot that iron would melt at its surface. It has the longest rotation period of any planet in the solar system and rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and it's the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon, sometimes referred to the Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and mass. The third planet of our solar system, our home, the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and largest of the terrestrial planet. Earth was formed somewhere around 4.54 billion years ago and is currently the only known planet to support life and lots of it. Earth is the most dense planet in the solar system. The Earth has an ozone layer which protects from harmful solar radiations. Earth's gravity interacts with the other objects in space, especially the sun and the moon. Fourth planet of our solar system is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and last of the terrestrial planets. Mars is sometimes called the red planet because of the brownish red color of its surface. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Pieces of Mars have been found on Earth. The tallest mountain known in the solar system is on Mars. The outer planets of our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The fifth planet of our solar system is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the easily and largest and most massive planet in the solar system. Jupiter has 67 confirmed moons orbiting the planet. Jupiter has the faint ring system around it. Each ring is mostly composite of dust particles from some of Jupiter's moon. Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in our solar system. Jupiter does not experience season like other planets such as Earth and Mars. Uh, Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and last of the planets known to us in civilization. Saturn is one of the five planets able to be seen with the naked eye. Saturn has the fastest winds of any other planet in our solar system. It is also the fifth brightest object in the solar system. Saturn has 150 moons and smaller moons. The Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planets of our solar system. Uranus rotates on its axis once every 17 hours in 14 minutes. So the minimum surface temperature on Uranus is to negative 224 degrees Celsius, and that makes it the coldest of the eight planets. So Uranus is often referred to as the icy land giant. So Uranus is the second less dense planet in the solar system after Saturn. The last planet of our solar system, the Neptune. Neptune has the second largest gravity of any planet in the solar system. Neptune has a storm similar that great red spot in Jupiter. It's commonly known as the great dark spot, and it's roughly the size of Earth. So Neptune spins very quickly on its axis. Like the other outer planet, Neptune possesses a ring system. So through its rings are very faint. So Neptune also has a second storm called the small dark spot. So this storm is around the same size as Earth and Moon. In our solar system, there are dwarf planets. So first, Eume, Sirius, Eris, and Pluto. Beside the planet, there are many other bodies that orbit the Sun, the flying objects. First is the dwarf planet. Just like a Pluto, a dwarf planet is a nearly round body whose orbit crosses the orbits of other bodies. They are mostly found in a couple belt an area in our solar system. The flying objects. Number two is the asteroid. Asteroids are rock and iron objects that orbit the Sun. Millions of them are found in the wide region between Mars and Jupiter, known as the asteroid belt. The flying object number three, the meteorite. Each day, tons of meteorite hit Earth's atmosphere. Meteorite are pieces of rock that break off asteroid. Most meteorites burn the atmosphere, causing the meteor on Earth. So there are meteorites. The flying objects number four, the moons. There are many moons. Each moon is very different from the other. So some have active volcanoes, others have ocean under their layers of the ice. The flying object number five, the comet. A comet is a chunk of frozen gases, rock, ice, and dust. As a comet passes close to the sun, part of the frozen surface begin to break away and turn into gases and to let's meet two space explorers. First is Kalpana Chawla, was an American astronaut, as an engineer, and the first female of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997. His dreams came true. The second space explorers. She is Claudia Joan Alexander, was an American research scientist specializing in geophysics and planetary science. She worked for the United States Geological Survey and NASA. So that's all for today, and thank you.